This is not an ad, but it should be an ad. They should hit me up. This is why Pixieset is the GOAT of it all. And here's why. So when I first started photography, I was doing just like everybody else and delivering with Google Drive and stuff like that. Once you step up as a photographer and want to be more professional, you need a website. A website that you can basically do everything. And that is Pixieset. I've been with Pixieset when it first started, and to what it is right now. This is a good website for all photographers, and here's why. If you need to deliver your photos in professional manner, Pixieset got you. If you need a professional website, you could do that on Pixieset. If you want to deliver invoices, you can do that on Pixieset. If you want to do contracts, you can do that on Pixieset. I know some people do like Honeybook, and then they find a gallery, sender, stuff like that. But Pixieset can do it all. If you want your photos printed, like for clients, for extra, say if you're doing like a engagement shoot, or are you saying you're doing senior photos, or if you're doing a wedding, you send those galleries out to your client through Pixieset, and also you do the attachment with your Lightroom. And after the photos are delivered, if they want to print, you can print from Pixieset. The thing is, with Pixieset, wherever you live at, they're going to go to a couple local print shops that's near the area, and it's going to send that way. You don't have to do anything else. They're going to pay. Say they paid $50 for a couple photos. So you can mark up the price, whatever you want. And what you're going to do is they're going to split it, whatever you mark up. They go split. Some of the money's going to go to the photo lab, wherever it goes, and then some of the money's going to go to you. That's extra income. And they basically just going to mark it up, whatever, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, whatever you want to do. But regional price, just look at the markup in your area and what's the traditional markup price, markup stuff, and then go with that. And just simple. And this is the reason I love Pixieset. I always tell people Pixieset, and it's easy. It is, and it's not that much money per month. You're paying, I think they have, I don't know if they still have a free version. I think they do. But then you paying, if you want to go up, it might be like $10, $15. And you want to go up more, it's like $30, $40. It's simple. And you can do everything. Website, invoices, photo deliveries, prints, contracts, invoices, mobile version, website version, laptop version, desktop version. So yeah, but that's why I use Pixieset for basically everything photography wise, and it's good for most photographers because we're just looking for all these different avenues that we're trying to do as a photographer. This is just everything that you need in one. Start out with that free version and get your website through that instead of, because most people use like Squarespace and stuff. Squarespace is great, but as a photographer, especially just starting out, you're just trying to get a professional website, and they have plenty of templates, and you can do so much stuff with the AI stuff that's going to help you. And yeah, this is, like I said, this is not an ad. It should be an ad, but it's not an ad. I'm just trying to help photographers find a avenue to deliver their photos and just up their business. Something simple And if this helps, let me know. Put thumbs up. Yeah, just let me know what type of website you use for photography. It could be any. It could be Pixieset. It could be Squarespace, Pixton, whatever you use. I would like to know, and just tell me why you use it, because I would love to know why you pick whatever website you use for photography. Because I might be interested. I don't know. I'm not, but so that's the reason I use Pixieset. I am Jonathan Walker, aka the culture photographer, aka the guy with the camera. I am him, the myth, the legend, the cameraman, the camera guy. Peace.